Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you the step-by-step guide to quickly set up your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now let's get started. Now, right after the unboxing, press on this power button on the right side of the device of your S26 Ultra. After it is properly turned on, first thing what you need to do is to select the language and then hit OK. And then make sure the correct region is selected. Now after that, press on start button. Now select the user agreement, just the usual and then tap on agree. Now if you want to transfer your data from another Android device or iOS device, this is the part where you can choose to do it. Otherwise, like me, you can just choose setup manually and set it up as an individual device. Now, next you can connect this device to your own or any other nearby Wi-Fi network if you are outside. Although you can skip it and connect it later, but it's handy to install stuff and log in if you are connected to Wi-Fi. So after that, putting down the correct Wi-Fi password, just hit the connect button and then a SIM setup prompt will be on your screen. Now, as you can see, you can either transfer the SIM or activate it through scanning the QR code. Now, I'm just showing you this setting, but for this video, we are just going to skip this part and just stick with the basic setup process because you can set up SIM later once your phone is ready to use. So don't worry about that. Now, this prompt will ask you if you want to copy apps and data from another old device. Now, we are pressing don't copy. Now, after that, you can log into your Gmail or Google account. You can also skip it now and quickly set up everything and do it later. But I recommend you sign in with your Google account with your ID and password and then press next. Alright, now you guys select for whom you are setting up this device, for yourself or for a child. So we are going to do is for an adult and then press next. Just agree to the Google terms and condition if you have signed into your Gmail account. Now you can create a screen log starting from password, pattern, face ID or fingerprint. Unlike me, you just skip it right now and do it later in the settings. Now next, you are going to toggle on which Google services you would like to allow on your device like locations, install updates and apps, etc. And then just accept it. You can turn on auto backup your device. Now for the sake of this video, just keep it for now. You can also set up the Gemini as your personal AI assistant. So if you want, you can hit turn on. Otherwise, just tap on no thanks. Totally, it's up to you. Now, if you have any existing Samsung account, you can log into your account from here. If you don't have one, forget the credential, you'll log in. Just tap on the forget button and choose which one of these options you prefer. You can also tap on setup later in the settings if you don't log into your Samsung account. It will prompt you what services you can enjoy down and just skip this part, scroll down and tap on agree. Now trust me, you are almost done. You got to choose your display mode, light or dark and then press the next button. Some recommended apps will be on your screen. Just select the ones you wanted to install now and unselect the rest. Hit next. And there it is. You are all set up. You can either press on see what's new and take a tour, or you can tap on home and then explore your brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So guys, that is it in this particular video. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.